Greetings to all my wonderful subscribers. I'm Polly and I will deeply engage in the world of trading for a considerable time, and now I'm excited to share my knowledge with all of you. That is precisely why I decided to create my very own YouTube channel. Seeing new subscribers joining the channel brings me immense joy. And if you're just begun watching this video and have an interest in trading, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. Here I share everything I learned throughout my trading journey, and I'm eager to provide valuable insights to each one of you. So, we initiated our trading session with the USD and Japanese yen currency pair. We have an intriguing situation here. Firstly, a clear hammer formation has appeared. Secondly, the price has approached a resistance zone, but there is one significant aspect to consider. It is a flat market situation with an ongoing ascending trend since this morning. To be precise, the exchange rate for this pair has been reading since yesterday. I'm quite confident that there will be a breakdown of this resistance zone. Despite of reasons of the hammer formation of the chart and the price being close to the resistance zone, and I anticipate a continuation of the upward movement. Most likely the price will rise towards the next resistance zone. Once it's reached that strong resistance zone, there will be a rebound. The market will likely become significantly overbought, halting further price increases. That is why I believe there is a valid reason to enter long trade now, as I don't foresee a reversal given all the factors. Alright then, I am opening a long trade with $200. No, actually I will do it with $300. Going long, I experienced a slight slippage entering the trade higher than intended. Nevertheless, the situation is strong, and the trade should confidently close with a profit. There is no significant reason for the price to undergo a prolonged period of decline, leading to a loss of this trade. Let's wait for the trade to close. We have 10 seconds left. Remarkably, the trade has never been in a loss throughout the entire duration. The price movement of this pair was so strong. It played out exactly as expected, resulting in a profit of $192. Now let's proceed to the second trade with the same currency pair used in Japanese yen. There is a minor breakout of the resistance zone here, but I can see a very strong shadow which leads me to trade short. I don't believe the price will continue to rise, especially considering the significant overbought conditions in the case of our RSI a few minutes ago. I'm confident that there will be either a reversal or a notable correction. Naturally, the price should undergo a correction as it is a common occurrence after an impulse. It follows the trading law. After a strong impulse, there is usually a correction. The Fibonacci correction typically retraces at least 50%, but sometimes it can go as far as 61%. That is why. This is where the correction occurred, because the price should have moved higher since that there are hardly any buyers at this price level. The long tails of the candles indicate that there is a lack of buyers and people are not willing to buy at the current prices. I believe this explanation is quite clear, so let's wait for the final 2 minutes and summarize the trade. There are just a few seconds left until the trade closes, and the analysis proved to be accurate. The price remained stagnant for about half a minute and then initiated a downtrend impulse movement. In theory, it may reach the previous resistance zone and rebound from here, but I'm not looking to go long in this situation. Let's move on to another currency pair. At the very beginning, I made a quick decision to switch to pocket option open a trade with the British pound and US dollar pair and take a short position without hesitation. So there we go. The trade is executed. Now let's analyze the situation and understand why I acted so swiftly. Here we have a double top formation in a bearish market. It's a powerful combination because when a double top forms during a downtrend, it almost always leads at 100% profitable trade. Let me draw it so you can visualize it better. Here the first top. And here the second top. It's nearly complete and the breakout of the support zone has already begun. The support zone is formed at the neckline level. There was a quite strong impulse. In fact, there was a previous double top on the chart that worked flawlessly. And now the current double top is also performing excellently so, and I anticipate a significant downward impulse. Actually, this downtrend movement has already started. While I was explaining, the market rapidly went down, which is very promising. I'm not even concerned in the trade briefly goes in a loss because a double top rarely results in a loss, and that typically only occurs when entering the trade too late. Based on my experience, out of 10 instances, a double top may not work a few times, maybe one or twice, and that is typically due to entering too late. That's why I acted swiftly to enter the trade. Now let's just wait for it to close. So, only a few seconds left, and after a sharp decline, the price experienced a slight rebound, but it did not prevent me from making profits. Technically, the price bounced off the previous support zone, but it doesn't matter anymore. Let's return to the charts. Once again, we need to act quickly here, switching to the platform, searching to USD and CAD, and entering a long position. Although my entry point is not the best, I still decide to enter with $300 because the situation is already unfolding. The price has broken through both the resistance level and the downtrend line after a period of consolidation. Let me illustrate it for better understanding. As you can see, during this consolidation, the highs remained at the same level, but the lows kept rising, leading to a breakout of the upper boundary of the chart. I anticipate a similar movement to the one when the price entered this consolidation phase. Now it's around the level that the price is expected to reach. It's a resistance zone and it's quite a distance away. The situation is ideal and all the factors seem to be in my favor. There is approximately 2 minutes left. The market is surging upwards, even though the price has covered quite a distance. Although I entered that trade a bit later, I have a clear target in mind for where the price can potentially reach. So let's wait for the trade to conclude. Well, there are about 20 seconds left. My expectations were with a strong impulsive move towards the nearest resistance zone. Perhaps there will be a consolidation period and the price will remain stable before breaking out elsewhere. But I'm not worried about that anymore. I have 4 profitable trades today and now I can relax. I want to express my gratitude for your time and attention. It brings me immense joy that you stayed with me throughout this video. If you found the content valuable and enjoyable, I will be incredibly grateful, and if you could show your support by giving the video a thumbs up. Moreover, I invite you to subscribe to both my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel to stay informed about all my latest content and trading updates. Your support means a lot to me and I truly appreciate it. Farewell and see you soon, guys.